Hello everyone, and welcome back to Loosey Goosey D&D. I'm Blizzard, and this week, I'm in charge. Roll initiative for player introductions.
Oh, we're still doing that?
Well yeah, I want people to know who you are.
I rolled a 16.
I'm not yet on my character sheet, hang on. Okay, I'm now on my character sheet. I rolled a 7.
Okay. Tyler goes first.
Cool. I'm Ty. Don't stare at me like that, Blizzard.
Okay.
I don't know, what else do I say?
That's a good point. You're introducing your characters later. Next one.
I'm Sentient something. Yeah.
One of the players, and I don't know anymore. Okay. Yeah, okay. I have decided I want to do a rule for this one shot. So I'm gonna roll to see which character I need to decide first. I'm gonna roll to see which character this applies to.
Oh no.
This applies to Tyler's character.
Great.
So your character will hear all the music that I play during the course of the adventure.
Oh, so the schizophrenic.
Alright, cool.
Okay.
Wait, like for awesome scenes. Because, like, Tyler will just, like, know the second that any, like, if there's battle music playing.
Oh yeah, I think I picked a really cool soundtrack. Alright. So, let's get started. The two of you, well, your characters, are being briefed on the mission you're about to be sent on by... I don't know, I didn't bother to come up with a name. And so...
You're not even going to explain what this, like, one shot is about to the viewers?
Yeah, I forgot I had to do that. This is my first time as the DM, if it's not glaringly obvious. Okay, so for this one shot is based in the universe of the Owl House. So our players here, our characters, our players' characters are Coven Scouts, and they're being sent on a mission, which whoever this person is about to explain. Okay. I'm gonna turn my camera off. Okay. Your mission today is to bring in a wild witch. Our intelligence tells us that it was last seen near the knee. And they go and hand you each a map detailing where it's a map of like a portion of the Isles, showing you where you're meant to go, pretty much. Remember, Emperor Belos is relying on you for this. Do not disappoint him. Good luck, Scouts. And remember, he wants it alive. And they leave you to your own devices. Now, you may introduce your characters if you would like. Introduce your characters, please. Sorry,
I don't know how to introduce my character.
That's fair. I mean, presumably they're all wearing the uniforms, so you don't really see each other's faces. I will say that the two of you have seen each other around before. You're not great friends, but you also aren't complete strangers.
Alright.
That helps.
I am returned.
Oh my goodness.
I'm only gone for a minute, but...
Okay.
Oh god.
I had my headphones on, so I know exactly what you said. Don't worry. Anyway, introduce characters.
Yes, please.
Alright, I'd like to start by saying I've never watched this show, so I have no idea what I'm doing.
Yeah, we probably should have given more context on like the place and everything for the viewers as well as Tyler.
Yeah, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I'm going off of the things that people told me before we started. Let me just... see, my character, her name is Krystal. She's a specialist in whatever the type of magic is called. Beastkeeper.
Yeah.
That's really all I have about her.
So my character is called hang on. I haven't decided on how to pronounce this. Hang on. Silvaex? I'll say that's how you pronounce it. Silvaex.
Okay.
They are they've grown up being a part of the plant coven, but they've always wanted to be part of the healing coven. So they joined the Emperor's coven in order to learn healing magic as well as stuff. So yeah.
I'm gonna guess druid.
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, that means we're kind of similar because I'm ranger.
This is going to make for an interesting combination.
Yep.
Especially when we get later on who are Skittles characters. Okay. There's not really anything else for you to do in the palace. So if you want to start your journey. I don't know. You guys walk out of the palace, through the town, through the forest. I'm sorry.
I reckon you should probably explain that the place we're called is the Boiling Isles, and that it's like we live on the body of an ancient. So that is it celestial? It's probably celestial being.
Something like that, yeah.
So when you describe the knee, you are literally talking about a knee of a massive skeleton.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay. So unless there's anything specific you guys want to do, you're just walking, I guess. You wait, hold on. I just forgot. Okay. You're walking through the forest for a while. It's standard Boiling Isles forest, red trees, critters flitting around.
I don't know, actually.
Yeah, that's fair. I don't. It's the plants are red, and that's normal.
Cool.
You're just probably just following the map, right? I'm so sorry. This is going so well. I'm.
That was sarcasm.
I am very much learning to appreciate the work that goes into this kind of stuff. So, you travel for a while. And then a small yellow flower pops up in your path.
Wait, hang on, what?
A flower.
Howdy.
Oh.
You guys are kind of lost.
Interesting.
I'm Floey. What's your name?
Oh my.
I just played this game for the first time the other day, and now you throw this at me.
Yep.
Oh my god. Are we actually currently lost?
No.
Okay. I am going to blast it in the face with a fire spell.
Okay, roll the hit.
I got a 12. Shit.
Okay, he barely dodges back into the ground. You can't hit me that easily. Come on. I'm here to help. Oh. You're gonna have to try a little bit harder than that to get rid of me. Where are you going?
I'm gonna put Orish on where we're going. Where are we? Oh, yeah, the knee. I'm going to look at Krystal. Look back at Harry. Look back at Krystal and go, do we want to tell them?
I don't know if that's a good idea.
Well, I'm just gonna follow you anyway.
Alright. I stabbed the flower.
Oh my goodness, roll the hit.
I rolled a 19
Okay.
plus 6. So,
I don't know why I expected you guys would just accept him. Okay.
I've told you what my character's like. I don't know what you expected from there.
Okay, roll damage.
I did 10 damage.
Christ. Rather Titan. Ow! Excuse you. That's not very nice. Is this how you treat new friends? Is this some sort of bonding ritual you have?
We don't want you here.
Too bad. I'm going to be here whether you like it or not.
I'm just gonna continue walking past Flowey then.
I'm following suit.
Okay.
Is Flowey gonna be hooty?
What do you mean by that?
Is he just gonna pop up randomly and be annoying?
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh god.
This is... wait. I guess you guys keep walking. It's not really that much a head plan. Before you get to the next destination. So you guys, I guess you walk for a while. And eventually you stumble upon a village that appears to be populated by cats. Okay. I thought I was prepared for this. Okay. Sorry, y'all. It's a nice little village. There's a few places. It's, oh my goodness. Okay. There's a few places you can go in the village if you want. Okay. The one that stands out most obviously is a croissant stand run by 3 cats in a trench coat. There's also...
great.
There's also... There's also there's also an inn, a potion store, and like a help wanted board. I'm just listing things off. There's a stable, big statue in the middle of town depicting some sort of cat king, and an very obviously fancy house.
Wow.
Where would you
Anyway.
like to go?
I'm gonna cast Speak with Animals.
Okay.
Can they not speak?
I don't know.
I think
we should probably test. Yeah.
we're only like 20 minutes in. This is going great. Okay.
Yep.
So what are we meant to be doing in the place?
Your map isn't really showing you where else you're supposed to go after here. There's a big red circle around this place saying information could find information here because this is, oh my goodness. Okay. You're pretty sure the wild witch you're supposed to be capturing is around the knee, but that information is fairly old and it could be outdated, so this is a place we can make sure that you're heading the right direction.
Okay. I'm gonna look at the help wanted board just to see what it is.
Okay. There's a couple wanted posters for missing palisman, posters depicting people like Ida, put up obviously by the Emperor's Coven. You can tell it has the little seal on it. There's like job applications you can available there for various places around town. That's what I got.
Okay.
Well, obviously, I'm gonna go to the tavern. That's the best place to get information. Everyone knows this.
Fair enough. I'm gonna follow then.
Hey, where are you guys going?
Oh god.
Can I come too?
Ignore the flower and keep walking.
Hey,
Wait,
it's not very nice to ignore people when they're talking.
Hang on, do I have any spells that can, like, control plants?
I've only got animal stuff, unfortunately, so I can't do the plant.
I mean, I'm a level 4 druid, so I should be able to do something.
This was a great decision I made.
Wait, hang on. How heavy is,
Titan.
how heavy is Flowey?
He's a flower, so I'd say a pound or less.
Okay. Can I use Mage Hand, pick up Flowey, and chuck him as
my
far
goodness.
as I possibly can?
How does that spell work?
Well, it's a Mage Hand. The floating hand appears at a point. The hand lasts for the duration of the spell. It vanishes if it's further than 30 feet away. You can use it to manipulate an object.
I guess roll a hit.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, he's gonna be able to see it coming and dodge it, eh?
21.
Okay. Should have given this guy legendary actions. Okay. I guess you do that. I'll be back, just you wait!
Team Rocket just blasted me off again.
You have successfully gotten rid of my NPC.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, you head into the tavern. It's pretty well lit, but most of the furniture it's cat-sized furniture. There's like 1 or 2 tables maybe you could sit at, if you were so inclined. There's not a lot of people there, seeing as it... Okay, time to contradict myself. There's a few people there. As well as the bartender who's, cleaning glasses behind the counter. That you could go talk to if you want.
I guess we'll talk to the bartender then.
Hey, what can I get you?
Well, I was wondering if you have some information.
Oh? Information on what?
We were told that there's a wild witch somewhere around here.
She sets the glass down. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. You are from the Emperor's Coven. Obviously. What would this... Is there a specific one you're looking for, or is it just like anyone you find?
I think it's specific. I don't know. Wait, is there more than one?
Well, there's is a specific one you're finding, but not all of them can be captured as well.
Do we know who we're looking for? Like, have we been given information on who we're looking for?
Just that it was seen near the knee last. I'm somehow okay.
So we can technically just, like, get any help with a mission accomplished.
I guess, yeah.
So we ask for the whereabouts of all wild witches that they might know.
I'm not an encyclopedia. I don't know the location of every single wild witch in the Boiling Isles. It's
any of them.
I guess if you're looking to find my closest one, there's a witch that does come into town every few weeks for supplies. Wearing what looks like pretty cold weather clothes. I'd reckon it lives on or near the knee if I were to guess.
Okay, so we search for the witch's house, trap their house, and then capture them at the house.
What?
Okay.
Okay. Is there anything else you need, or?
Maybe a bit of food.
All right. Okay. Did you guys give your characters any money?
That's a good question.
Oh my god. Okay. Because last I saw, you had no inventory.
Probably not.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, I have 0 gold.
Okay.
Alright, cool.
I was going to say a snail is the equivalent of a silver, but it doesn't matter because you don't have any.
We don't need to buy food. I'm pretty sure I've good berry, probably.
Alright then, get out. We don't... You're scaring away the
Okay,
customers.
Alright, we leave then, I guess. And real quick, I want to see if I can go find the cat that is depicted in the statue. I want to see if I can find that cat.
Oh, okay.
For no particular reason.
I'm gonna say... roll intelligence to put together which house might be the cat's.
And that's actually something I'm good at. Oh wow. 16.
It's the fancy house.
Okay,
In the middle of
that's
town.
what I thought.
Can't believe this.
Oh, hey guys, where are we going
Alright, so-
next? I think you can give it to me forever.
Oh,
Anyway, I'm gonna go to the cat king's house.
Alright.
I'll leave. I already forgot the name. Dang it. Said you something. What's your character's name?
hang on, I've forgotten. Silvaex.
Silvaex. Got it.
Okay. Okay, description. It is a very... As you step inside, it's a very... nicely decorated house. And... you know, it's obvious this... whoever lives here has money. I feel like this one shot might be shorter than I expected. Okay. So, as you step inside, a gray and white cat with a little crown on its head notices you from the top of a cat tree and jumps down to greet you, stretching the way cats do and then sitting down. Oh, hi. Who are you there? Is there
I don't know how to respond to this.
something you need, or are you just here to waste my time?
I'm worried as to what's going to happen.
I don't know what to do now. I just wanted to see myself.
I put so many reference NPCs here. Fair enough. So, are you just here to gawk? You here to bask in my gloriousness?
Well, it's not every day you see a cat king. Alright?
Fair enough, I suppose.
What are we doing here?
That's a good question.
I don't know. She wanted to come here. Oh no, I made all the voices too similar.
I'm gonna just leave. and start heading to the knee.
Yes, I will follow suit.
Okay, we're just leaving then? Okay. Bye, I guess.
Goodbye, King.
Bye. Okay. Let me fix the music again. Okay. As you're walking through the forest, you can tell it's getting darker, but I'd like you all to roll dexterity for me. Wait.
Oh god.
Dexterity.
Yeah, a dex save.
I got 15. I think that should open up.
Well, I got a dirty 20, so.
Okay. Dang it, what was her name? Okay. Krystal, you barely avoid getting trapped as a hole in the ground opens up. But Silvaex, you fall into a pit.
Can I use feather falling as a weapon? Or not feather falling, a feather fall.
What does that do? Is that just like increased damage?
It stops damage and slows down falling.
I mean, you can, but it's like a 10-foot hole. You're not going to be able to climb out easily, but it's not going to hurt you that much.
I don't think it's gonna hurt at all. Yeah, I won't use it then.
It's probably some rule or something, actually. It's a pretty nasty fall you took there.
"10 feet isn't that big. Is it?"
I don't know. Floey doesn't always say the things that are accurate.
I'm gonna try climbing out of the pit.
What would that be? I guess roll strength to try and haul yourself out.
Could I reach down and try and help?
I got a 17.
Okay, so with Krystal's help, you managed to just about pull yourself out of the pit.
Yay.
Yay! I'm going to do something.
Also,
Wow,
do we have heroic inspiration?
Do you have what?
Heroic inspiration, because we're humans. And, like, technically we would have taken a long rest beforehand.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Well,
I know what I'm using on.
cool.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Is Flowey still hidden?
Floey's still there, yeah.
Okay, I'm going to redo the cantrip to firebolt and attempt to burst. I reckon I could hit him. I reckon a 26 hits him.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, you cinch him pretty good. Well, roll damage.
I got 8 fire damage.
Ow! Can you not do that, please? That hurts.
I'm just gonna ignore him.
Okay. I have no idea how people have, like, it's probably fights. It's fights, isn't it? It's how people get these to go for so long. Okay.
Anyways, Krystal is gonna look out to the woods as if she senses something familiar.
Oh god.
And then she's gonna walk over to the edge of... I assume we're on a path.
Yeah.
Okay. She's gonna walk over to the edge of the path and stick her hand out. And then a little red fox is gonna appear. Or whatever the equivalent of a red fox looks like in Boiled Isles or whatever. But it's a fox.
Make it green or something. I'm... Cool.
Anyways, that's my pet now.
Cool. Why is it so hard to find one of these? Okay. Well, it's getting... Night begins to fall as you... I don't know. I guess you like move on from the pitfall trap and it gets dark. Because that's how day works.
I can attest that it's how day works. I've seen it before.
Oh, you look at
Kate's on.
Okay.
Time to do birthday singing. Everyone is waiting.
I need to go now.
Oh. Okay.
So
I guess we can stop.
okay.
We'll probably stop there for now, yeah. Oh. Oh wait, they left. Okay, so I guess we'll like come back later. Yeah,
Yeah? I guess so.
Yep. Goodbye,